Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, as you know, you have listened to the Jamaica Young Police channel. You know that we have one of the best intelligence officer who have served in the Jamaica Defence Force. And we're not going to compare, intelligence with intelligence, but when you're the best and you're just the best. So this man is one of the best intelligence officer of the Jamaica Defence Force. Yeah. All right, we know some of you from the Jamaica Defence Force is gonna come out and talk about Sir P, yeah, but you have to understand, Sir P is nowhere near this man. You understand? This is not your ordinary intelligence officer. When I talk about enlisted, we are talk officer. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, the man have been there, done that. The man, honestly, even police officers or some of the things that he had said, yes, they corroborated him. And you notice he's not even masking his voice. He's not using anything to mask his voice. Because this is a man who's a patriot and unafraid. And this is a man who, one shot, one kill. We love people like him, you understand? Whenever he's ready, if he wants to, we're not going to reveal his name. Never, he will that, you understand what I'm saying? But we can tell you that, yes, this is a man who have been there, done that. He's a Kingstonian, and he's a man that's telling the real mama papa truth. So, yes, and you're going to hear some things about yes, your favorite Rasta, yeah man. Muta Baruka and all those guys, they would not call, based on the things that you're gonna hear about Buju Banton. Muta Baruka would not call Buju Banton a Rasta man. He would call him a dread. Yeah, because dread do dreadful things. This man, Buju Banton, is one of the wickedest Rasta man ever Jamaica ever see. Real. And when I talk about, remember that this is the same man who, based on the things that he had revealed, that's how the information even came out, that Buju Banton had paid Zekes for Zekes them to kill Detective Philip Dad, PC Dad. Yeah, he's a detective inspector work at MID. We saw him and yeah, we know that from we are cadet. That look, and we can't tell you still doing is that the service what the police force have done to a man like PC Dad is one of the most honest police. Yeah, we are telling you, yeah. Don't bother. Yeah, we hear some police attacks. A boy, Dada was friend with Mevral Simit, him a friend with Mevral Simit and Ashman, and yeah, not because him a friend with them and him thing. Now we are telling you, PC Dad is a police where the detective there. I want to face the brother and him thing. The man there, just like we hear Dodo say him a good police. And say when a criminal I say you're a good police, say you're a good police. And that's why I'm not dead and him thing there. And yeah, PC that never reach out to me or anything like that. I don't know if him did know because he used to work a special branch though. You understand? So Buju Banton had put a hit on him for gunmen to kill him. And you understand, and it was I want to tell you that that the intelligence officer, this man don't miss with intelligence, him don't play with it. And when we received that information that it was Christopher Dudusko that saved this policeman's life, that this Rasta man that we call Buju Banton, I don't think that you're going to hear some things. This man, Buju Banton, the man even his children. That's why most of them children them don't deal with him. You know the man, Buju Banton, most of you don't even know that Buju Banton had sent men to kill his wife, his baby mother, Lana, kill Lana brother. You understand? Yes, and Buju Banton thief, based on information, Buju Banton has stolen a record from a youth named Rumed from 100 Lane. You understand? Off Red Hills Road. And it is, and even Risto Benji, you know, based is like he have a hand in all, even the death of Risto Benji. This man is a dangerous man, you know. So we see, yes, so yeah, so we have seen where they say they're going to give Buju Banton an award for Bob Marley over by Tony Spalding. And if the Marleys want to water down them father thing, cause Bob Marley was not criminal, you know. Remember, CMPMP tried to kill Bob Marley, you know. CMPMP gunmen them from my community tried to kill Bob Marley. You understand? And the car was driven by a policeman named Barrington Hamilton. Them call him Police Barry. Barrington in my community. So I want you to listen to the conversation. I'm telling you, but even an artist named Sebastian, you're going to hear even one of the man music, and trust me, man, I'm listening to the conversation. I'm supposed to speak, talk with his a relative of this man, you know, Sebastian, by Buju Banton. And I must admit, yes, as me, a disclaimer on him thing there. I don't know if Lana know, but yes, I don't want, because you know later on him thing there, you will hear some people come out and say the reason why I'm doing these against him is because, you know, him in an intimate relationship with one of my cousins. I don't care about that, because me not even deal with she and them thing there. Yeah, so that now nothing to do with it. I know him, but we're never friends. Because she used to live up there and all them things there too. So this now have nothing to do with that. So I don't want a guy come out and this, that and them thing there. So I don't just go with all of them garbage there. So we want you to listen. You watch, you listen, you decide. So moving on to the conversation.
Yeah,
boy, I'm there, man. Boy, I tell you, it's just hard for we link up at times, man. But hey, I just saw it go more time, you know. Yeah, man. So everything, man.
Everything good.
Yeah, man. Boy, you're a real patriot, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. I said that with no apology and them thing there, you know. And cause that's what Jamaica need and them thing there. We need more people like you. You understand? But you know our place there already and them thing there, you know.
Let me see, man, them a beat you, but say I fight political allegiance, man.
Who I do that?
Yeah, see the commentator them.
Which commentator them?
In the comment section, man, in the comment section.
Oh, sure. Yeah, man. I said, hey, look here, let me tell you something on them thing there. You say all them.
Akili. Yeah, water from one. Yeah.
Yeah, man. You say me not even worry about them and them thing there. Because Jamaican people, you know them stare them. Them like when you say things that make them feel comfortable. Me not that. Me I tell them a thing to make them feel uncomfortable. You understand? And me not do things because of views me want and them thing there. You understand? Cause you know, say I saw them operate. I said, boy, you know, if you stop bust the PMP on them thing, and well, yeah, me just attack with me, you know. You understand what I'm saying? Me nah go sugarcoat nothing for nobody and them thing there. Just like how me tell a man and them thing there. Me say, boy, oh, when do this come back to Jamaica? In for charge of treason. Boy, some man I say, boy, oh boy, you're dead if you're dead. Me say, yeah, me know, whole away I got dead. But me I say, him for charge of treason because him take up arms against the state. When him rise up in people, them and them thing there.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if me a labor right and them thing, oh me say that. When them go and talk, and them a eat that, me just not like criminal. And them not, hey look here, and them can't stop me from talk. Me not stop talking and them thing because the PMP is a criminal organization. All of the crimes that them commit, me I expose them and them thing there. You understand? Because me not see them doing any good to Jamaica. Me not see them do good to my community. When them doing at Jonestown, me see it. You understand? I see all a man.
Yeah, so the destruction.
Alright, that's why here now. When me tell them now, me all a man I will attack and them thing. A PMP, you know, me and me all attack. And me say, boy, look here. Just bring me the book, not the gun. You hear me say? That for sure you say all these people are being desensitized and not realize them are contribute to them own destruction, you know. You know, so boy, you're labor right. So me say, wait, Uncle labor right read book? I mean, so you want me if you have gun for kill people? If you go kill innocent people? But me say, boy, give me the book and not the gun. You're not supposed to apply me for that. You're going to say, boy, me a labor right for that. So you rather go kill your black your man who live beside you because him not share your political belief. You know, me none of that. Me not like people who kill people and them thing. Anytime you kill a man, I'm supposed to be in a self-defense. Are you police or security force preemptive strike?
Defense of your country.
Alright, preemptive strike. And that me say. So that's why yeah man, me see them man. But yeah, hey, look here, between me and you know, so what every channel still low. Are we ever supposed to have the highest record of losing? Over 6,000 subscribers we losing in 1 month, you know. And we not change because we not stop telling people them the truth. Man, I say, boy, if you know this, no, you come tell me about if and you're not going to dictate and tell me when me tell the people them. I mean, not even start yet. You understand? Because, you know, see, me not even tell all the people them about gold.
Me see somebody in the comment section I say, you know, respond to Panel Brother, but me I look for something with Panel Brother, I say, but me not see nothing with Panel Brother, so because I don't even know if he's still alive because years me know about him. When Panel did dead, him they try come up from same name Kennedy. That's the only brother I don't know. I don't know if no other brother, really.
Well,
I know they have a younger sister when they do some trust fund, when they leave some trust fund for Anthony Tartan. I mean, Anthony Tartan never get the child $1.
Yeah, man, and she thief that, man, because they're thief, you know, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man, I saw them stay. Them always pretend like them love poor people. Them not love, I'm going to tell them, you know, say, them people don't love poor people, you know. You understand?
So,
you know, see, that's, yeah, but I saw Jamaican people stay there. You know, them love the people, them always love the people, the oppressors, them, you know. People, them, you know, like them, you know.
yeah.
Because I see them people, them, you know, where I support them on them thing, them same people don't want them in them family, you know. Because them don't even know, even when time them people that behind closed door or them class them. You understand? So you have to their own educated people and the elites them for hear them talk about them. And them feel say them people love them. They don't like them. Because they know say them are carousing who want them in them family. None of them people you don't want them in your family. You understand?
That's true, man.
You don't want them in your family. You're carousing them, man. You understand? You know, see.
You listen to the song I sent you?
Who that?
The song I sent you this morning.
No, me not even check the because you me just call and them thing because me not too long do one video.
You say not check the message I sent you?
No, me not check it yet on them thing. Me not check the message when you send me yet on them thing. Cause true me know say boy, me know say me owe you a call cause the amount of time when you call me, you know, you understand? So me say boy, me make certain, cause normally, you know, me not miss all the 6:30 news on them thing there, cause me like to know what go on them thing there. You know what I'm saying? And me say boy,
listen to this song, yeah. Listen to this song.
Yeah man, play it.
Tell me how do you sleep? Do you think that it makes me go? Mr. Publicity, Mr. Smile and Wave. Tell me how is the conscience? Are you coward or brave? The no one can see what I think that nobody inside the party. Getting encouraged by evil people to see the people peaceful. How can you all be sitting there? Even about the Bible itself, that you protect people and talk, only give the youth that comes on earth. Mr. Mr. Smile and Away. Tell me how do you feel? Tell me that you give me no pain. Mr. Smile and Away. Tell me how give you content. Oh, you go on a play. Say you don't wanna keep us apart. The dividend rule is not in your heart. Yet still another youth to get killed. Be another youth see. Every time you come around the election, you making the promise to keep it that here. Once more you're saying, some people don't believe you there. This the final way. Just now you see that everything that is okay.
Yeah.
Powerful song that, man.
Really, really powerful song.
Yeah, man. And I like that song there, reality, man.
Man say, Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Weak.
Yeah, man.
Tell me, how do you sleep, sir? Do you feel that you're in your grave?
No, but them sleep, you know. Them sleep, cause them know, them remember say them not on the conscience, you know. Them not on the conscience, you know, so them sleep. Me and you know, our conscience we bother with, that's why we take the thing so personal, because we want to see a better Jamaica. Them don't want to see a better Jamaica, you know. It's all about what's in it for me. You understand? Them
but this youth in him grave, you know. You know that, right?
Yeah, man.
So it was killed by Buju.
So what his name? Sebastian.
Yeah, Sebastian. That is his last name. His full name is Paul Sebastian.
So when where Paul come? Where him come from?
Originally from Portland.
So him write the Till Shiloh album for Buju Banton.
Him write a few songs on it. Him write a few songs on Till Shiloh and the album before that.
So the main reason why me remember, you know, between me and you know, entire them did kill Gilly Priest's son, and after that Gilly Priest, and me did hear a blogger. I don't want to call him name, because you know you call him name, people feel like, you know what I'm saying.
Soul Flow?
No, man, no. Me not listen to brother there. Cause me not listen to people when I no expertise on them thing there. You understand? Me listen to people when me know say have credibility on them thing there. You understand what I'm saying? Them man they make up things and or what them see and I glean and them thing. Cause through them know say most of the people they don't like read. You know what I'm saying? So them read to them, you understand? So them, you know, see, if me not learn something on them thing there from somebody, you know, see, me not watch them on them thing there. Because they were saying that it have to do with some matches lane thing, and you understand. But it all, I remember, you know, say the killing of Gilly Priest and Gilly Priest's son, it go right back to that youth, because them say at them did kill Sebastian. You understand?
So you didn't know of it before?
Yeah, you understand. And the word was on the street, them say, before them even kill Gilly Priest, them say Gilly Priest did kill the youth, say, them say, boy, Buju Banton allegedly give them money for kill the youth. But at the time and time, me hear the argument and them thing, because I know my police hear them kill him and them thing, but you know it was detective and them thing, them. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So when them say that him Gilly Priest money for kill the youth and them thing, never did know, say, boy, the youth was him right and them thing, because you know when you listen to man music or you know, so to be honest, you know, so me me never buy one of them album them yet, Buju Banton. Me not have no Buju Banton album. Me never buy none, you know. Me listen to music them, but me never buy any of them thing there. Reason being is that I knew for a fact before them arrest him and them thing, me know say Buju Banton back in the days, and I tell you, say in the days, in the early 90s, Buju Banton, Frankie Sly, we anyone there, all of them used to deal in a coke and them thing there. In America and Canada and them thing there. And me not say no allegedly, me I tell you what me know as a detective, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know, so you know, me never too dig them man there and them thing there. So in time I did hear that now and them thing there, me never did follow up why him kill the youth. So are you now I make me know now say boy.
Because what happened a few years ago, not a few years ago, more than a decade ago. I remember me driving radio as well. I remember I run my shit on one of them.
Yeah.
And we the one that was on an interview and them asked we the one that why man Buju no deal.
Yeah.
And we the one that said leave that alone. That would cost life.
Wow.
And that was the end of that. That would cost life at the end of that. But me start as me aware of the music circle, me start put one on one together. I remember White River Reggae Bash a few years before that.
Yeah.
Buju the thumb down Sebastian.
Backstage?
Because No one in the crowd when Buju will leave the venue. Because Sebastian got to him and asked him about, because Sebastian actually lay with him, asking about him royalties. Understand? So that alone make.
Yeah, so if you have reached this far in listening to this commentary, about Buju Banton, and I know that you must be enjoying what you're hearing, because these are things that are not available in the public domain. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we make blog videos about corrupt politicians, corrupt police officers, corrupt judges, gunmen who are parasites to law-abiding citizens, and the criminal rights groups. Because we believe that corruptors and murderers must live in fear of losing their lives and freedom. So if it is the first time you're at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon, and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel release a video. You will be the first one to get the notification of the video, so you don't have to wait. If you're having problem receiving a notification, you have to unsubscribe and subscribe again. Cause I just saw it go on them thing. YouTube. Yeah, we just tell you a real mama papa truth. Cause YouTube, it's man-made, so everything now gonna be 100 on them thing there. You understand? So at times, we're not gonna say that YouTube has sabotaged the channel, but hey, that's how it is. You understand? So if you're not getting your notification, as some people has complained, so you have to unsubscribe and subscribe again. Alright? So to remember to give the video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and informative. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. YouTube, them have them viewers, you can't play a certain kind of video and one and two little things. So that's it. You understand? So to unlock this untapped collection of videos, and we have several more for give you guys, but right now, trust me, we can't just, and the reason why we're supposed to release the Christopher Dudu squawk before after the Tivoli incursion, and we're gonna give you guys snips of what happened. You understand? Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? Hopefully by this weekend, because people have been waiting. We should have done it like more from the beginning of this month. And we applaud the people on the Patreon squads who join. You understand? Yeah, so to unlock this untapped collection of videos, click on the link in the description box below. So joining our Patreon community allow you to explore content that complies with laws, rules and regulations of YouTube while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. You not anything for you get a dink or them would say a woof, or you get some warning, or you understand what I'm saying, spoiler alert and all these things. You understand? So so thank you for your continuous support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. We are dedicated to educating and informing our audience about the issues facing our beloved country. Our mission is to inspire and encourage you to unlock Jamaica's true potential. We believe that knowledge is power, and by spreading awareness, we can regain control of our country from the 63 individuals who have repeatedly failed us. One thing that you can count on us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel is the truth and nothing but the truth. Remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, uncle, aunt, grandma, grandpa. You know that Mrs. Brevet is one of our oldest, yes. We don't see nobody that is older than her. She's 90 now. Yeah, she's going to be 90 this year. And she's still strong. She have no ailment or anything like that. So we give thanks for her. So, moving on and continue the journey with this conversation with one of our esteemed intelligence officer who's sharing some things about why we no wonder hasn't spoken to Buju Banton after the killing of Sebastian. And you will hear some more salacious things about this man. This man is the epitome of evil. So I don't know how the all of them associate themselves with this man. More or less them don't know the street code. Because this man is wicked. So it's a good thing that them lock him up for coke and them thing there, because this is a wicked brother. So it's just him judgment that, when him go to prison for 10 years, I just his judgment that reach him, because he's a wicked brother. So moving on.
So it all come down to the royalties. But what happened is that when me started pick up, because there was a time, let me tell you this, there was a time, when me know of crime, because we just buck up on things.
Yeah, man.
And we call somebody and say, yo, call Crime Stop, register this crime. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And say a woman tell me about that and them thing. They say, I saw she did get some money. And she said she not even know nothing about the thing, something. She did a town and something in Manchester and them thing there. So, you understand? I may ask her,
no, but I tell you because we as law enforcement, we buck up on it.
Yeah.
We're not going to leave it alone, but we don't want, because the system's so corrupt, you don't even know what will come. I told you already.
Mm-hmm.
There was an incident that happened at my house. And when the police them come, I did have my firearm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to tell them what happened. And I end up go over common. And when I go over there, a lady know me. And the lady see me and call up my name one time. 1 second. Yeah. You hear me?
Yeah, man.
Lady.
You say a lady call out your name.
I'm going to smoke a killer.
Who?
Gunsmoke.
Gunsmoke one for killer?
Gunsmoke said to me, killer.
That's the Leon the police.
But even we didn't remember saying me never him did that spring,
Yeah man. Him Leon.
Along with Milanine and them.
Yeah. So
I said no, and same time he called Miller. I said no, you can't kill the woman, leave the woman alone. And that will come out. I said the woman make you up. But we say nothing illegal for you though.
Hey, I want dangerous police.
And hold on, and me I tell you, say when you hold the youth, next day I say the youth come on my gate and say you're bigger than me, And the man,
find a yard. Find a yard.
Him didn't know of me because remember the woman see me. But what them do, they make it look like the woman tell him. But it wasn't the woman. That's the first thing they do. Secondly, just like remember me call 911 119. Me call 119 and just remember 119 go and call Constant Spring and relate to them, relate to them.
Yes.
And the boy come and relate exactly how I related to them. Tell them he's a member of the Jamaica Defense Force right down to the T. Understand?
So them leak that information.
When the man them come the night, them ask me if I have a fireman, and tell them say no, and them give me that's why them tell me to kill the woman.
Oh. I said no, boy, I said them not try to set you up too.
Well, not directly, but when them go and recover certain items from the scene, they realize they make a mistake by carrying me with them.
Cause the man, the thief still doing a gun smoking. I tell you that, you know.
Because I remember, I see the old, you know. Because I come up Perkins Boulevard, and I see a car, I come down Reddings, from up Reddings, and I turn and I take the left, right, at Perkins Boulevard, and I go up, like I go to the 70 Adventist Church at Price Right.
Yeah.
I see two you just jump out of the car, run in our yard, run back out the two rifle and throw it in the trunk of the car.
Just like that?
Just like that. I'm going to trail them and follow them and wait till them park the car, so them park the car. And then go up and make the car. So, from them time, you know, even before that, I'm just aware of the whole settings. So, even if an incident happens, me not call them. I just call somebody and say, here, you want some money? Can I report this crime? I'm going to collect your reward. Have a Merry Christmas. And leave it at that. So what happened now? Buju did check Rebel because what Rebel is the fuck Sebastian's wife. And it kind of lick Sebastian cheap when he find out because that tune them do. And the Lalabella reading for Tony Rebel Flames record.
I don't think no, if you do that talent thing there.
That's the same rhythm when the Jai standing by my side and Everton bend that don't get up people song. Understand? That's the same rhythm. Anyway. Him tell Buju for link Gilly Priest. So Gilly Priest the job.
So I rebel him line up thing there for deal with
yeah, because him never really want to Buju never really want to use none of the man in his surroundings. Because even though it is kind of fun, him never want to use much as lane man them. And I don't want to lie, I don't remember I think they probably use much as lane man them to do work before and it failed just like them they try to kill Lana brother. And it never work.
So weird. So Buju Banton try to use man for kill him pitney them uncle.
Not true. When I tell you say shoot the man, me say him run a tire shop, him name is Strand. Him run a tire shop and not to be right now. A big tire shop.
And Buju said man for try to kill Lana brother.
Zekes them take the youth and go carry him, shoot him up and throw him over the causeway, but the youth never did.
So what?
The youth have all of the document them, all the property them. Because Lana never trust him. All the yacht when they have over Port Royal. Everything that the youth have the money, have the papers for the boat and everything.
So alright. So before we go back, so with Sebastian now and them thing there, him Buju Banton now, so because him no want to pay the youth royalty.
Right.
So so based on the contract what them have now, once the youth dead now, him get all of the royalty.
And not even contract. Remember, sometimes a man write a song here and he's supposed to pay him. So if the agreement, if a man write a song and he say 100,000, give me 100,000. If the song it give me $1 million. But 100,000 upfront.
Yeah.
So do that some people just sell a song and them give them rights and everything to it.
And some people Sebastian never do that.
One of them because remember Sebastian a publishing deal and stuff like that because he's a songwriter. He's a more songwriter than a performer, than a vocalist. You understand?
So why? And him got the man funeral too.
No, but I would honestly, when Sebastian actually dead, Sebastian wasn't 100, Sebastian was about 16 because then they give him I will them try before and they give him a season clip and mash him up in there or win. Me have a game bird show, she could tell you everything because the man used to talk when him in him right mind, the man him tell her everything. She tell me everything, but just me record everything.
Yeah, right. Word for
him. Yeah, but she could tell you the whole story. She could tell you the story day to day. Understand? Because that was she little brother. Understand? And up to the last time I talked to her was a year and a half ago. And I tell you, Me used to talk to her often, you know, and I say often time. And sometimes I bring tears to my eyes. And I really, up to this day, the woman I feel it. And I think she's grieving right now. Understand? I think she's grieving right now. I'll get them.
Well, wicked brother, man.
But that is the man mentality. The member saying, remedy. I was DJ from 100 Lane, you know. And then they probably would have thought right now.
What name?
Him sing Remed. R-I-M Ed. Like we have Paned, they have Remed.
Yeah, Remed, yeah.
And him voice drive on a Buju Street and Buju do about the song, you know.
And take what the man sang?
And when the youth go to him and the song it and the youth go to him, you know, him lift up him gun and go to the gate and lift up him shirt and show the youth him gun, you know. And the youth stand up at the gate a cuss and thing and him pay Kunte to kill Remed, you know. And Kunte cut out Remed belly with a ratchet knife and Remed try to drop out a gun, but Remed never did.
So what Remed then? Him still love already, is that?
I don't know if Remed alive, I'm dead right now. Though 10 years or more, I don't hear nothing about him, but him live 100 lane him come from.
I saw them.
No. But I police none of them knew that. But Kunte dead, you know. I think Kunte dead.
More or less, because a criminal don't live long, you know.
Because what it happened is that how did it go? How Kunte get to bed? This youth named Neil Armstrong who used to run the wholesaler in front of 100 Lane. Remember them, they kill him. I don't think they did that, Jamaica. Them kill him about 2005. Because what them used to do, them used to trade container. Them used to wholesale distribution and them used to trade container from the wharf. So, like a case of a container of trouble that come from Trinidad. And a container of saltfish that come from Canada. So them other businessmen do know is before the container them merge what the difference and them trade. So me have the link to the trouble, you have the link to the saltfish. So them pay the difference in US. So when the container come now, me just clear the container with the saltfish and me clear the container with the chubby and go on my ways. But the criminal them know what they think that cause it Neil now. Neil have 3 container of fruiter. And the man them snap up one from the wharf as it land, the man snap it up. Or no, the 3 of them, to be exact. It's the 3 of them, the man them thief. I know them think that my wharf all right?
Yeah.
The man them thief the 3 of them, so him find out who have it and him send Kunte figure get back the container them. Kunte get back the container them and take them. So I have some little youth. I remember the whole incident that my Reddit's road when 100 Lane and the big war it's 2002, 2003. When they shoot up Cassie. And
oh yes. Remember the boy from our Cassia Park him come from or something like that? Our Cassie come from again? Reddit's road.
Danmere, man. Danmere, come on. When they shoot up Cassie and manager and the whole of them. The conference, JLP conference morning. So that time the whole war did a spill out in viral connection. The whole already is really start war. Black Ants Lane, Blackwood Terrace, 100, Park Lane, 44, the whole of them start war. So when Neil find out now say Kunte get the container them. Him offer 2 other local shooter, one of them named Stone, then they catch up at Jackson. They come out like paper them. You know, the police don't go publish it away. Them put it like a bottom man. When they did catch them, that a Dinero and Giant. You remember that 2 names and Dinero they did over Spanish Town?
Yeah.
Then they put in, so then find one of the youth stone up a Jackson in a bed with man.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, you wanted man and you hide out. I want to have one bed, well, I want to go sleep on the same bed.
Me not sleep on the bed
So
with a
that
man.
kind of thing.
Me not sleep
Well,
on the bed with a man.
I saw you go.
Me not do it.
Well, I saw you go. Well,
Yeah.
I saw you go. So that was the incident.
Yeah.
They come in at the star big. Anyway, that youth, them pay Neil tell him say, you want me? Kill Kunte. Me give $1 million. He show up now somebody slap her Kunte. And it wasn't stone.
Mm-hmm.
Neil here said it wasn't stone. But Stone them went to Neil for the $1 million and Neil said, "I'm not pay them because it's not you kill him."
Mm-hmm. And I saw him
So
dead.
them come one night and then come one night as him a lock down in shutter. Then just come and kill him. So the whole Riddles Road now, which you never really want to use them man there in this circle. You understand, to do no crime because of the whole mix up, because remember someone over 100 lane started running the park lane and vice versa.
Mm-hmm.
So you never really trust the whole scene.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a wicked fella, man. Wicked. Man. Wicked is a corrupt man.
Mm-hmm.
One of them album, I'm not sure, but I don't want to say the album name because I don't have no proof
Mm-hmm.
of that. But there's a time when Rista Benji voiced an album for him. And him voice over back almost the whole album, probably about 3 tracks from the album he never do over.
Mm-hmm.
And Rista Benji couldn't say that. No, you don't even never that make Benji because them so corrupt, them could have said, man, go kill the youth.
Mm-hmm.
Because, you know, after a while, people are going to talk. Because if it's no it's social media, they wouldn't probably try that because they would have certain recording and have certain proof.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? But Benji ended up dead and that sweep under the carpet.
Oh,
so that's why I'm winning one.
Mm.
That's why I'm winning one than a deal because of the killing. Because remember, Sebastian was one of winning one that write and man.
Mm-hmm.
Teach winning one how to write and structure song. Because in the one I used to just sing over people's song, American R&B, and sing it over in a reggae version.
Mm.
And winning one that talk himself to Sebastian, teach him how to. If you go back and watch Teach Them interview, you will see this winning one that talk about Sebastian. Yeah, man, Sebastian used to up and down.
So we have come to the end of part 1 of this Buju Banton series. Telling you about this man wickedness. You have heard it for yourself. You know the killing and the killing of people, and you know. So when these guys wearing Rasta and pretending as if they are holy and nice people, yeah, man, we found out that he's not a nice guy. He's an evil guy because it's a long time that he have been dealing in cocaine. When I tell you about now, allegedly, we know that for a long time from the 1990s. And we tell you about the other artists, them too. Wayne Wonder, Frankie Sly, and all these guys, they were involved in coke dealing. Yeah, we're not telling you allegedly. We are telling you what we know as a detective, a man on the street. Ask Harry Bungles, because Bungles and my friend. And even Buju Banton can tell you about some money where police them find a Spanish town and how much money they get Harry Bungles to get it back where money where them claim say I did coke money and them claim say music and Harry Bungles get film cuts. I tell you. Yeah, okay, we're a detective. You find you're honest police, you're going to hear things. You understand what I'm saying? People will share things with you. Because them know say you're honest and involved in a certain arms house. In a criminality with them. And if you see them criminal, them will show you police them are corrupt. And we see enough of them get promotion. And we tell you, Detective Inspector PC that is at the service. Anytime the police force promotes so many thieves the other day, and them never promote him. Philip that two of Detective Inspector I know that should be Deputy Soup. PC that and Ruben Gunter. Ask me, I tell you that. So this is the end of part 1, and part 2 will be coming up shortly. You have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.